Hey everybody, welcome to Pet Services Pro, a show for you and your pets. Today we're going to go over the top 10 things you should do every day to ensure a healthy dog. Make sure to watch until number 1 because you're not going to want to miss any of these things. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment below. We welcome comments. 1. Best food you can afford. Like people, dogs need to eat the best diet you can afford. Remember that dogs are omnivores with carnivorous tendencies, so you'll want their diet to be mostly good quality meat protein, but have some fruits and vegetables included. Grains, corn, wheat, soy, and potatoes should be avoided if possible. There are good foods that are affordable, so look around. And don't forget good clean water. 2. Brush their teeth. Dogs build up tartar and plaque on their teeth just like we do. You can get dog toothbrushes and toothpaste at the pet store. You don't have to worry about brushing the insides or flat surfaces of the teeth, just the outside area near the cheeks and front. Start slow, introducing the toothbrush to your dog by just trying to brush the fronts of the teeth and gradually work your way to the back teeth. You don't need to rinse the teeth because the dog toothpaste is meant to be swallowed. If he's a puppy up to 7 years old, then you only have to brush them once a week, and then over 7 years old, do it every day. Have a yearly dental done by your veterinarian and follow any of their recommendations. 3. Go for a walk every day. Going for a walk is good for him and you. It gets you both outside in the fresh air and gets your bodies moving. You get to enjoy the scenery and he gets to enjoy the smells and other dog data he collects by sniffing around. If you can do at least a 20-minute walk, that'll be a good amount of exercise and will stimulate him to eliminate while he's out. Remember to take the poop bags. Cleaning up after them is good pet care. He gets both exercise and mental stimulation by sniffing around and moving, and he will go home tired. 4. Groom and examine your dog every day. Grooming is a good way to interact with your dog and give him attention, and also makes him look good. It eliminates mats and helps him stay comfortable. But it's also a great way to examine your dog from head to toe to make sure he's maintaining his weight, he has no lumps, bumps, or injuries. And also look for missing patches of hair and make sure his skin looks good. Check his feet for sore spots and overgrown nails. Look over his eyes and teeth and look in his ears to look for too much dirt and wax. Are his eyes clear? Any discharge from his eyes or nose? Do you feel too many ribs? Does everything look good under his tail? Are you seeing fleas? Learn what normal is for your dog, and if you find anything abnormal, schedule an appointment with the vet to have it checked out. 5. Training. Training is fun for both of you. You get to teach your dog, and your dog likes to work for you. It makes him think and use his brain, and he gets treats. A dog of any age can learn new things, so work with him every day, no matter how old. Train with praise and treats. Be positive. Keep it fun, and if you get frustrated, stop and go back to something he already knows. You always want to end on a good note. Try again later. Keep your daily training to short times, 5 to 10 minutes every day. Maybe do a couple of separate sessions a day for just 5 minutes each. You'll have a happy dog. 6. Clean up after your dog. Please clean up after your dog when you go on a walk. No one likes to clean up after other people's dogs. Carry the poop bags or go back immediately after your walk and pick it up. It's easy. It keeps your community clean, people and animals healthy because they don't come in contact with it, and makes good relationships between neighbors. It's just a basic responsibility of dog ownership. 7. Attention. Dogs are social creatures and love attention, especially if you are gone all day at work. Give them attention. Play ball or tug or whatever their favorite game is. Work on training. Go for a walk. Invite them to be on the couch with you and when you watch TV, and sleep with them if they know you are alpha. Don't just come home, let them out, feed them, and then ignore them because you are tired. They want to be with you and they need your time and love. Belly rubs can be done on the couch. 8. Mental stimulation. Dogs get tired using their brains as well as exercise. They need things that stimulate their brains. Dog games are great for that. An example would be to hide a toy and make them find it. Do it several times. Or you hide and call your dog to come find you. Training, as talked about above, is great mental stimulation. So is going outside and letting them sniff. Giving them a job to do is great for their minds. An example of a job is training them to fetch, and once they've learned it, ask them to bring you things. So fun, and it tires him out. Then more belly rubs on the couch. 9. A comfortable place to rest. Dogs deserve a nice, comfortable place to rest and relax just like we do. If they are floor sleepers, have a nice cushy dog bed or several soft blankets for them to lay on. This is good because once they know that they are theirs, you can move that blanket where you want them, and they know that it's where they are supposed to be. Of course, keep it clean and dry, and if you find fleas on your dog, wash it immediately and treat your dog for the fleas. 10. Check for parasites. Speaking of fleas, keep an eye on them daily for parasites like fleas and ticks. Those are both small blood-sucking insects that attach to your dog. The fleas hop on and usually live on the dog, sucks blood, lays eggs, and either jumps off again or just stays on the dog. They cause itching, and some dogs react to them, causing flea dermatitis. You can get flea combs to comb your dog's hair, and it traps a flea or their black droppings in it, and then you know to begin flea treatment. Consult your vet. Ticks are blood-sucking insects also, but they bury their heads into the dog's skin and fill up and then fall off. Ticks are bigger than fleas, especially when full, and can be carefully pulled off or have the vet remove them. You have to make sure you get the head when you pull them, or the dog's skin can get infected. So, there you have it. Do these things and you'll have a happy dog. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of great ways to care for your dog and much more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.